Automated content creation runs on a self-improving loop of ideation, drafting, deployment, and updating. First, data-driven insights guide brainstorming, helping teams choose topics that resonate. Next, AI-powered tools draft outlines or full articles, freeing creators to focus on refinement rather than starting from scratch. Then, automation schedules and formats posts for each channel, ensuring SEO optimization and consistent branding. Finally, as new analytics arrive and audience interests evolve, the system revises existing content to keep it fresh and relevant. This continuous cycle maximizes efficiency, minimizes manual effort, and sustains high-quality engagement, enabling brands to maintain a competitive edge in digital marketing. The content generation loop is a self-improving cycle that minimizes manual work while delivering consistent quality. It starts with ideation, analyzing performance data, audience behavior, and trends to generate relevant concepts. Next, AI tools draft outlines and initial versions instantly, letting creators focus on refining tone, checking facts, and adding value. Then, deployment automates scheduling, format adaptation, SEO tweaks, and A/B tests to maximize reach and engagement. Finally, the update phase monitors key metrics and user feedback to refresh and optimize existing assets, ensuring relevance and improved performance. This closed-loop approach accelerates iteration, boosts efficiency, scales output, and empowers brands to adapt in a competitive digital landscape. AI tools significantly enhance content ideation by scanning vast datasets, social media, forums, and search engines to pinpoint emerging trends. Using natural language processing and predictive analytics, they uncover high-potential angles and subtopics that competitors may overlook. Integrated keyword research modules analyze search volume, related queries, and ranking difficulty, then forecast audience interest and content longevity. Based on these insights, AI generates multiple headline variations, varying length, tone, and keyword placement to maximize click-through rates. Automated drafting pipelines then convert approved outlines into fleshed-out drafts using AI-generated text blocks and customizable templates tailored for blogs, emails, or social posts. These pipelines integrate directly with content management systems, auto-populating metadata, enforcing style guides, and preserving the brand's tone. By feeding performance data, engagement metrics, click rates, and time on page back into the loop, teams can iteratively refine topic selection, headlines, and templates for continuously improving results. Establishing quality control checkpoints is crucial in automated content creation. It begins with AI-powered reviews that automatically scan drafts for grammar, spelling, clarity, and tone consistency. These tools enforce style guidelines, swapping passive constructions for active voice, flagging jargon, or adjusting colloquialisms, so every piece aligns with the brand's unique identity. Next, automated feedback loops collect performance data and audience insights in real time. Metrics such as read-through rates, time on page, social shares, and conversion events feed into the system, highlighting which headlines hook readers or which calls to action drive clicks. This data informs the AI which language variants and structural elements resonate most, guiding iterative refinements without manual guesswork. Finally, continuous monitoring of key performance indicators, engagement rates, bounce rates, and lead generation conversions ensures content remains effective. Alerts can trigger immediate audits when performance dips below thresholds, prompting targeted updates. In my view, this layered approach preserves high standards, accelerates optimization, and frees teams to focus on strategy rather than tedious edits, all while maintaining rigorous brand consistency. Establishing robust content generation loops enables brands to maintain consistent messaging, scale output efficiently, and stand out in crowded markets. For an e-commerce brand, this often begins with AI-powered trend analysis. Machine learning models scan social media, fashion blogs, and sales data to identify emerging style preferences and seasonal shifts. Each morning, automated scripts use those insights to generate fresh product descriptions, highlighting new colors, fabrics, or features, and social media captions tailored for Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest formats. Next, built-in tone checkers analyze every draft to ensure it reflects the brand's playful yet sophisticated voice, swapping jargon for approachable language or tweaking humor to suit target demographics. These drafts then enter an A/B testing framework, where half the audience sees a cheeky caption and the other half a more elegant variation. Performance metrics, click-through rates, cart ads, shares, feed back into the loop, guiding AI to favor high-impact phrasing and imagery. In my opinion, this closed-loop system not only frees creative teams from repetitive tasks, but also sharpens brand identity over time. By continuously iterating on real-world feedback, brands can adapt more rapidly, foster deeper engagement, and ultimately drive higher conversions in a competitive e-commerce landscape.